Are you okay?
Huh?
All right. We got a call about your driving, that you were having problems staying in the lane. So, and I thought it was weird that you kind of like put your turn signal on and you took a while to figure out where you're going, and then when you made the left, you made this really wide turn. You okay? You sure? Okay. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
The woman seen here was stopped after multiple callers reported an erratic driver.
Why are you pulling me over?
Well, I didn't really. I was following you because we got a call about your driving, and people were saying, I mean, from the 100-mile marker, they were calling about a red.
Really?
Yes. And so when you pulled in here, you made a very...
I'm not going to do that.
You're not going to do what?
I'm not going to do that.
Put your car in park. Put your car in park.
No.
Car in park now.
Why?
Ma'am, put your car in park.
Why?
Step out, all the way in park. Step out of the car for me. Because you were about to take off on me, and you are now lawfully detained. So please step out of the vehicle.
What's that? Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you.
Ma'am, please step out.
No.
No?
No.
So either, listen, step out of the car. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car.
Then I want to record everything.
We're recording too.
I will record.
We're recording.
Then I will record everything.
That's fine, but you need to step out of the car.
Step out,
You
please.
just let me record everything.
No, first you step out of the car, then you record anything.
Ma'am, here.
No.
Well, you're either...
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So we've given you several lawful orders for you to step out of the car. You're refusing those orders. And I'm telling you to get out of the car right now.
She's telling me to get out of the car right now.
Yes.
Like, for
Yes.
what? So here we are. I have...
It's on the fact that, given that I could smell alcohol in your breath, okay, you're swaying while you stand, I'm going to ask if you want to consent to some field sobriety exercises.
Of course I would. But,
Okay.
But, I just lost...
Just lost what?
It just is something with my followers. Why don't we just call Rick and let's just talk to him and let's just please.
Well, I don't understand how the sheriff is going to help you out of this situation.
Because I've known him for 10 years and like he knows I'm not a retard.
Well, nobody has called you that. Nor do we think that. No. Let's go over here.
I can't sit down.
Let's go over here. Let's go over here and let's get this done.
Oh, she's going to take off. Do me a favor.
Well, I want to just record. I just want to record.
Okay, well, we're getting to
Turn
the
your
point.
car off. And listen, we're going to have to take this away from you. So, are we refusing to do the rest of these exercises?
No, of course
Then let's
not.
finish
Of
them.
course not.
Then let's
I
finish
love
them.
you guys. Like, I don't want anything.
I don't want to be in this position either, okay?
I don't. I also
And I
want
know.
to, like,
Please put the phone down.
I want to record all you guys.
We're recording
And
too.
she acts like she don't want to be. Like she come back.
I know you did not. Ma'am.
Listen, all right, we're done.
You got
here.
my license?
Yes.
Oh, here we.
Nope. Because this is not going to end well for you.
Are you kidding me?
No, we are not kidding you.
Give me my phone.
Can you let them know when?
Give me my phone.
6101 Work Code 5. We'll have one in custody.
Give me my phone.
Your phone's going with us.
No, give me my phone.
No.
Give me my phone.
Your phone will go with you.
Do you want to take this?
I'll take it.
Okay.
No.
Are
give
you
me my
PTO
phone.
certified?
She chose that. Like she has got some kind of going on with him. So we'll just really.
Yes.
Really? Like you threatening me?
No.
I'm
walking.
Please stop.
Are you going to walk with me, or are we going to have
Can
to
I
carry
just
you to
stop
my
my God damn it, can I not turn it off?
We're going to take care of all that. Is there anything other than your phone that you want
You're
to go
hurting
with
me!
you?
You're hurting me! 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 Stop!
61 additional unit.
Under statute 1314, I'm allowed 14 minutes that I'm allowed to be picked up. Where's my where am I? 13.4.
You're in the parking lot of Ocean Gardens.
Yeah, 13.14 minutes. Where the f are you?
I'm standing right here next to you.
Yeah, oh, aren't you so proud? Jesus Christ. Hey, this is your life. I'm your son's teacher. I'm your son's teacher. This is what they're doing to me. Get this off of me. Get this off of me.
No.
No, you're hurt. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm telling you, I cannot breathe.
Do you need an ambulance?
I need an ambulance.
6211.
She's hurt me. She's hurt me. She's hurt me.
6211. Can you roll rescue
dear
20
God,
our
please,
way?
she's hurt
Reference.
me.
Our arrestee is unable to breathe.
God, you're so sick. You're so sick. You're sick. Can you please just, so I can breathe?
So what we're going to do is we're going to turn you on your side. Was there another unit coming? From where? You sure about that?
Please help me!
Here, I will help you up.
Your side.
Roll on your side, Deb. But she's not. Hey, Deb.
Hey, ma'am. 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 Ma'am.
We had her. Well, she now needs to be checked by me. We had her see. She didn't want that.
No,
So then we put her.
she hurt me. She hit me. She hit me.
Okay, so no injuries. You're just a little embarrassed. I'm sorry. Okay.
She was claiming she couldn't breathe earlier.
Okay.
Liar.
Okay, listen, talk to me.
No, she's a liar.
Okay, talk to me.
You f***ing liar.
Okay, talk to me. What's
Yeah,
your
why
first
don't you
name?
go home?
Deb.
Deb. Okay. I'm here. Let's talk, okay?
No.
Can I stand you up?
Of course you can.
Okay, I'm gonna stand you up. All right? Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2. No top.
Are they still full?
Yeah, no top in the back.
Hey, we got more wine here, but it's not open.
She's choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me!
Hey, ma'am. 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 She's shaking.
You know what? Always things going on. Take her out. Leave her right there. Just pop her back again. Because if
Do we have a lot to do? I don't think we need to risk it. I mean, we can ask her if she's going to want to.
Hey, Debbie.
Just fix herself.
Debbie. Debbie. Deborah, can I talk to you real quick?
God, you act like I'm some kind of crazy person. Just stop. Stop. Let go of me. Let go of me.
Please, we're not gonna do this again. We are not gonna do this again.
Oh, that's what you're doing? That's what you're doing?
Yeah.
That's what you're doing?
No, we good. No, we're good.
No, we're good.
Come on, sit.
Thank you.
Stop.
Stop.
No.
Stop it. If you bite me,
Did you,
Off of me.
Deb?
Get off of me.
relax, Deb.
Get off of me.
Relax.
Get off of me.
Relax.
You're choking.
Nobody's
You're
choking you.
choking me.
No one's choking you, Deb. Relax.
Stop.
You're choking me.
Relax.
Oh, God damn it. You're choking me.
Can you guys have her ID? Yeah.
Yeah, I have it in the car.
Yeah.
You stupid ass mouth.
Okay.
Ooh. She got in it. Stop! Stop! Quit hurting me! Stop!
What's the arrest car?
Oh, wow. You're united. Wow. A black person and a white person united. But you don't give a about her. You stupid. You hate her. You hate her because she's black. You can't stand it. Because she gets everything that you think that you should
wait, hold on.
do.
I got one more thing.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Deborah.
Yeah.
One more thing.
Oh, yeah.
Deborah.
Yeah.
Deborah.
You say, oh, she gets everything. Oh, she shouldn't get everything. She shouldn't because she...
If you refuse to take the test, I have sit down.
You didn't tell me to sit down. A interpreter right now, and if I am denied an interpreter, I will be. Oh.
On what? Uncrossed.
Oh, you weirdo. Stop. God.
DUI,
Battery on Leo.
battery on Leo.
Oh, DUI. No, it's not DUI, you stupid. We both know what you did. I had to stop. I'm having breast cancer. God. I'm under. Stop it. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't speak. Don't.
It's not gonna happen. Lisa, we don't want to use force. We need to put it in the chair and take it.
Stop. Stop hurting me.
Oh, here we go.
I'm gonna put him in the.
You're breaking my arm, you mother. Get off of me! 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 Get off of me!
Debbie.
Get off of me!
Debbie.
You mother. You get
Debbie.
off. That's my mother. You get off of me, you mother.
Debbie.
I will kill you.
Hey,
No. You get the off of me. You get the off of me.
Down.
You get the off of me.
Down.
You tell that motherfucker to fuck off of me.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Please. Okay. Calm down. Listen.
Fuck off of me.
Listen.
Get off of me, you stupid ass motherfucker.
Debbie.
Don't touch my hair, you stupid ass
Debbie.
motherfucker. Take me in. Oh, here we go. Really?
Debbie, I'm trying to work with you, not working with me.
Okay, so we're gonna do
And this is where we ended up.
I'm trying to work with you. I'm not doing anything to you. All right? You gotta calm down. You have to, okay?
Okay.